How to open HSBC Bank account online. Firstly, go to your browser and search for HSBC Bank and hit enter. After that, go to bank account, just below the log on to online banking, and click on the option. And from here, you scroll it down, and after that, click on how to apply. And you scroll down, here are some certain areas and things that you can read from here. But if you don't want to, then scroll it down, and a bit further down, you can see apply for a sole account or apply for a joint account. Choose your preference and click on the option. Here are some of the eligibility criteria. You must be above 18 years and you must be residing in UK or European Union territory, and you have all of these documents like addresses for the last 3 years, employment details, income details, and proof of your identity and address. If you have got all of these things and a valid proof of everything that is mentioned here, just click on confirm and start. And from this application page, you got to fill up everything, including your personal details, your employment status, and the proof of valid documents. You got to upload valid documents stating that you are currently residing in UK or European Union territory. And in this way, you can open HSBC Bank account. And if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment.